So we successfully created a workflow, simple DAG for checking the file, data pre-processing, aggregation. And the next step would be creating the table in a database. For that, as I said, we need to use some database operator. In our case, we are using MySQL database. So we have to import MySQL operator. If you see, I just imported MySQL underscore operator, import MySQL operator. So what we need to do is, let me show you the table structure. Maybe here, let me zoom in, right? Zoom a little bit out. Yeah. Okay, this is not creating the table. This is loading the data in the table. That is the next step, right? If you see, create table, if not exist, this is the table name I'm giving, and these are the column name, stock code, description, right? Which we already seen on in our Excel file, right? Now, the next step is create table, right? Obviously, MySQL operator. And as usual, task ID, create table. The next step is very important, right? Which is called MySQL connection ID, right? Now, obviously, right, if I want to create the table, I need to connect to the database, right? I need to provide the database details like host, port, username, password, etc., right? That we are going to do it in our Airflow screen, right? So you should go to admin and connections. Did you see here? There are many connections, and create here. Maybe I can give this as my connection name. There are bunch of options where you can connect Docker registry, file path. You can connect to the GCP, HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System. You can connect to the HTTP, technically speaking, REST APIs. We'll also see how to connect to REST APIs, right? You have bunch of options. MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, S3, whatever you name it, you have it almost everything. So now in our case is MySQL, right? It's a MySQL post. That's what we have given when we are creating an container. Let me pull that file and show it to you. This is our Docker file, right? This is actually the host. MySQL is the host, right? Okay, so now next I'm giving the root username and root password, right? And just save it. It got saved. Okay, no worries. Now what is the next step? Where's the spider? Yes. So we have to give that connection name here. Oops. What is the name we have given? Where is the connection type? Is MySQL, right? MySQL, yeah. This is the one we have given, right? This is the name we have given. We have to give this name. We have to point this name here, right? And what is the next step? So in case of bash, we have bash command. In case of Python, we have Python callable. In case of MySQL operator, we have SQL. So this is the one that we are planning to do, right? So let's give this, right? Now we have to obviously mention this particular task in our sequence of workflow, whatever it is. Let's go to a DAG. As usual, it will take some time, right? Your code is reflected here, right? Yeah, why? Okay, you can see create table here. But what happened? Yeah, we know it will take some time. Wait for it. I hate this waiting. Yeah, did you see? We got the create table here. I'm just shifting between the scrap view and tree view, right? Again, did you see? this is why, anyways, we are hurry. Right? Yeah, you see, now we got the correct thing. Now we'll just try to run this, right? And now let me make it the right name. Okay. Okay, maybe we'll see this in the next video. Now you understand how we can create a database operator, right? So hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.